In this video, I will show you how to in this video I will show you benefit of home and key on your keyboard in MS Word. So there are some keys you can use in your Word working. So if you have in any page and you want to move your cursor in the first page of document, so Control and Home button, Home key on your keyboard, press it. Same you can move your cursor to the end of this document, so Control and key on your keyboard. If you want to move one by one page, so Control page up and page down. Same you can move page once you press page up or page down. You want to select, so Shift page up, page down.